running. We're going south down behind Costco. Stop, police! Stop, police! Put your hands up! Stop, police! Put your hands up, man. We just need to talk. Stop. Show me your hands. Let's just talk, okay? Keep your hands out of your pocket, please. All right? You want to talk to me? Turn around for a second. Sit down. Okay? Sit down. All right. 2-7. We stopped. We're on the south end of Costco. All right, just turn around real quick. Yes. No. You're detained right now.
Just shoot me.
We're gonna shoot you.
Shoot me.
No.
I'm gonna make
Stop.
you shoot me.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Come on.
Let's just talk.
No. Just shoot me.
Stop, dude.
Just shoot me.
Stop.
Please.
Dude, let's talk.
No.
Sit down. What happened?
Please.
What happened?
Please just
Here,
shoot me.
hands behind your back.
No.
Hands behind your back.
Please just shoot me.
Hands behind your back.
Please.
No, I'm not gonna shoot you.
Yes.
Dude, come here. Let's just talk.
I want to die. I'm suicidal.
Okay,
I
I can get you
to the
help.
hospital.
Like, you want to go to the hospital?
Yes.
Okay, come here. Sit down. We're gonna talk. Let's just sit right here, bro. We're gonna talk. I think we're okay right now. Here.
Stop.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
No, just shoot me. Please.
We're gonna talk.
Please just shoot me.
Hands behind. We're gonna talk.
Just shoot me.
Hands behind your
Just
back.
shoot me.
No, we're not gonna.
Yes.
Shoot you. No.
Kill me.
I'll kill my fucking sister. Stop! Hey, what do you grab? What do you grab?
Got my gun.
What?
got my
Let go of his gun!
No, I'm gonna kill myself.
Stop! Stop! Let go of his gun! Hey, we have another unit. Answer that, please. Stop! Get off it! Shots fired, shots fired. Stop!
No, I'm gonna kill myself.
Let go! Let go!
Kill me.
No! Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm good.
Stop!
Kill me.
Stop! Let go!
Kill me, please.
Let go!
Please kill me. Okay, I let go.
Let go!
I did.
We're trying to help you.
Kill me.
No! Put your hands behind your back, man.
Please, just kill me.
You good, dude? 82 now. Roll code 4. You good?